Welcome to Eden Nature Park and Resort. It is located in Barangay Eden, Toril, Davao City, and that is why it is called Eden. Aside from that, it is also named after the famous biblical garden because of its lush greens and serene gardens that will help anyone seeking a quiet retreat in the middle of the city. With an elevation of 3,000 meters above sea level and a canopy of trees blocking out some of the sun's rays, the park is also refreshingly cool, giving visitors a respite from the heat of the metro. You won't run out of things to do in this 90 hectares resort. You can enjoy walks in the Deer Park, the Flower Garden, Lola's Garden, and the Butterfly Garden. Learn more about the local culture at Tinubdan or get lost in the bamboo maze. Adrenaline junkies can also try the Sky Rider, Sky Swing, Sky Cycle, and the Sky Wheel. Those who want to extend their visit can choose from the many accommodations inside the resort, while several cafes and restaurants are in the park to serve guests snacks, meals, and drinks.
Darian yun. Nana kung di ingon na, kung lula adun. Pero,
Maunay lami.
po, pareha rin sila, pero ang pinakasikat po, lula adun. Pero ako niya.
Eden Nature Park and Resort is 95% man-made.
Pricing siya.
It is a great model of how we can recreate nature and rebuild a lost environment. Discovered sometime in 1971, the resort used to be a logged-over area covered only by a blanket of wild grass. Its potential was, however, readily seen by the owners as the property provided an imposing view of Davao City and the Davao Gulf. Not long after, terraces were carved out of the mountain slope and thousands of pine tree seedlings were planted. Since most activities here are outdoors, the best time to visit Eden Nature Park and Resort is during the dry season from December to May. You can still visit during the other months, but plan for rainfall during your trip. For their buffet lunch, it's 980 per adult and 490 for child from 4 to 10 years old. Plated snacks, 400 for adult and 300 for child. Then Fishing Village package, 500 for adult and 300 for child, 4 to 10 years old. Then for guided shuttle tour, a weekday is 300 per pax. Then for weekend, it's 330 for shared shuttle per pax. As the pine trees grew, they provided canopies allowing other trees and plants to grow and creating a secondary forest. Today, there are over 100,000 pine trees spread throughout 90 hectares, providing a refreshing backdrop to the various attractions in Eden Nature Park and Resort.
Good afternoon, everyone. Mabuhay ug madaya. Welcome to Eden Nature Park. Yeah, so by the way, I'm Jean, your guide. Our driver si Kuya Richard. Yeah, so our tour will take 45 minutes to 1 hour. Yeah, so we have 3 stopover, which is Flower Garden. We have Inugdan or Cultural Village and Dona's Garden. So every stopover, bibigyan kayo ng time para mag-picture. Alright, so everyone on your left side of Fishing Village po. Perfect for lovers and wow, pwede kayo mag-overnight dyan. So free breakfast dyan.
How much?
Just 4,549. So again, on your left side, ito yung deer park. Hindi natin usually sa Fishing Village. So kaya ginawa yung extension para makita nyo ng malakitan ng mga deer. Dito po sa Eden, nag-start lang tayong more than 30. Yeah, so pinapadami yan kasi they are considered as endangered species. So yung deer natin
Pinakatuloy.
Yun yung orange. So, ito is part pa rin yung 3 hectares na Mansfield Orchard. Yeah, so yung flower garden naman, that's commonly used for premium or wedding decor. Yeah, so before si Miss Aquino, dyan po siya nag-show yung gate niya.
Sige, bumaba kayo at pagpa-picture kayo dyan.
So now we are passing through the rainbow path. Wow, rainbow! Pag may mag-harvest mo, bibigay sila sa'yo. Kasi kung binigay na mga ganun taas, white spring. 75 hectares, 60 lang yes, may paglalakad kayo dito mga 2 hours po dito ni Mexico. So, may
si Lapu-Lapu man.
Si Bagani, sir.
Bagani.
Nasa amin si Bagani.
Ayun, may mga sila ba yun?
Ato na.
Nasa bahay.
Naa.
Anong pangalan mo?
Yes, so yung si Bagani po, yung malaking statue yung pinicturean. Yes, so dito na-represent niya ang Bagogo tribe. Yes, so he is a protector or a guardian. So before, pag ang lalaki makamatay, tawag sa'yo kung sila dalawa rin ay
Ano ba talaga kayo pagdaan natin sa Mission Web? Kayo ng forever.
There, we're going down. Yeah, so Eden's highest point is 3,000 feet above sea level. You're supposed to be makikita natin yung view ng Davao.
Noon,
May mga
mainit yung
gulay pa rin. So dito naman sa right side, herbs and spices. So we have mint, agil, vitamin, cilantro, rosemary, parang yung right side. Okay, kuya, yung sugar cane, yan. Kuya.
Ayan, yung sugar cane. Sugar cane.
Binigyan natin ano din. Nakaraan, matataas na yan.
May truck.
Ayan. So we have yellow pea. Ayan. So ito yung last stopover natin ang Lola's Garden. Dito naman may visual tayo. And then yung kalabaw na hindi gumagalaw.
Ano yan? Rambutan? Ayan.